Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. So in this informative video, we are going to tell you a solution for the problem facing error 267 and your Roblox mobile application. In order to solve this error on your app, you just need to understand that sometimes due to storage or network problems, these type of error occurs on your mobile screen. So how can we simply solve this and rid of this problem and easily enjoy our Roblox mobile application? Let's jump into the video. We will do this step by step. Just be on the video till the end so you can know much better about this problem and you can easily solve this just from your mobile phone without using any type of third-party application. In order to do this, the step 1 is to check if you have updated your application or not, because sometimes the problem caused due to the new software update or new application update on your app store if you're using iPhone, or if you're using Android. So you can simply go on the Google Play Store, check for the mobile update like this. If I'm using iPhone, this is my iPhone, I will go on my app store and search for Roblox Mobile here. As you can see, my application is all updated, so I do not have to face this error. But if you're facing this, so you just need to check. The step 1 is to update your mobile application from here. And the second step, after updating your application, you just need to go on the Roblox application and clear all the cache and data for this application. It means just restart this application or force stop this application. After refreshing or deleting all the cache and extra data out of this application, we will simply click our volume button and the power button together to reboot my mobile phone here. And third, the final step is to reboot your mobile application. After that, you can simply restart your Roblox and you will not face any type of error like this. If you are still facing it, just give some time and it will be solved in under 1 or 2 hours after doing this. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to our channel. We will meet again with next and the best informative video with all of you. Keep watching, keep loving.